We grew a papaya. We grew a papaya, and it tastes so good. We grew this. This is so exciting. It's like a baby being born. So here is my papaya that I just pulled off the tree. Again, this is from seeds that we ate. It's amazing. All of this from one seed. So what's so amazing about this papaya and all these other papayas that you see here is this a tree that we nurtured for a little less than a year, and it has a ripe papaya on it. So as you know, someone from the city, this is like a little miracle, and I can't wait to cut it and to take it off. I can't believe this is like an actual tree, and this is just from papaya that we ate and put seeds in the ground. Greetings, this is Body-Culinary, and I am going to cut open this papaya, and this is really special to me because this is the first papaya that I've grown, and the first one that I picked off of the tree that my sister and I have grown here, and it's been less than a year, almost going on a year here in Central America. So I'm really curious to see what it tastes like, and I'm glad we got to it before the birds got to it, because we've learned here that sometimes you want to leave, well, quite often you want to leave enough fruit or some plants for the iguanas and the other birds and stuff to eat, or they'll eat up all your stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it open. I am so curious to see what it tastes like, and we grew this from seed. And some people may not realize there are male papaya and female papaya plants, and to see it, to see it ripen on a tree. And I can smell it from here, so it smells pretty fragrant. So, kudos to the soil, because you want to have good soil. It smells really fragrant. So, papaya has been an acquired taste for me. I didn't always like papaya coming up as a child. I thought it tasted funky. So usually if you eat the papaya and it's not ripe, it kind of almost tastes like nothing, or like a slightly sweet cardboard. And then if it's overripe, the flesh of it can be a little too mushy, and it's not really palatable. So some people are very sensitive to the textures of the food. So I'm going to save these seeds because we can keep replanting them again. That's the beautiful thing with growing food. It gives you such another respect for the food, because you see it can just keep, when the seeds are not tampered with, you see that it can keep producing food over and over again. So I'm going to try this papaya. This is papaya we tried. It's good. It's very fragrant. It's good, because I've had papayas before that weren't really fragrant. So I'm happy. These kinds of things are really exciting, because we grew this, and then there's more seeds to put back into the ground. And then of course you see when a whole tree comes out of the ground, it makes sense that you want to add compost. So I've always got big bowls of compost here that if we put out into a compost bin I made with just some bricks and some chicken wire and some twine and so on, so you can be really creative. And I started out in a little teeny apartment in Brooklyn, growing in pails. So it was a miracle to get like one tomato. I was sharing with sister the other day. It was really a miracle to get one tomato. So I'm super excited about my papaya. So I'm going to share a piece with my sister and see what she thinks. But the nice thing is it's fragrant and it has flavor to it. So it ripened on the tree. We hear tree ripened all the time, but many of the city folks haven't experience fruit that has literally ripened off the tree. I mean, I'm seeing fruit around here in Central America fall off the tree, so I'm so grateful. I mean, do you folks get excited about this? Have you ever had tree ripened fruit? Please let me know. Maybe if you've grown up in the South around peach trees or stone fruit trees, or in the Caribbean, have you had fruit picked off the tree that was ripe? I mean, some of the mangoes, they taste like eating a warm mango pie because it's been just baking in the sun, and either it falls off or you can just pick it when it's ripe and the sap is still on the mango. So I'm sure I can find some sap, like a sticky syrupy sap that's still on the mango. So this is Body-Culinary. I'm going to go enjoy my papaya. I'm super excited. These are the types of things. Hey, FYI to the men folk out there, nice gifts, fresh ripened fruit, seeds, soil, tools, yoga classes. That's the kind of like going out, or I'm going to call dating, but if I wanted to go out, these are my kinds of gifts. So this is Body-Culinary. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification button so you can be notified when there are more videos. And do check out Home Living Foods in the Hood, Part 1, with menus to fit your budget. That's on the Body-Culinary.com website, as well as the book Natural Beauty, No Products, Love Your Own Hair and Skin. It's cruelty-free and it's vegan. So even if you're not, you may be interested in cruelty-free products that are very inexpensive and don't put any toxins near your precious brain or cause any tumors or fibroids, and they're inexpensive and don't litter the environment. How would you like to be free from eating animal flesh, animal products, and be released once and for all from junk food addiction? All with delicious, whole, fresh, plant-based alternatives. Contact me for coaching and living foods preparation classes. Peaceful food, cruelty-free to your body temple, the animals, and the environment. Check the Body-Culinary.com website. See you soon.